Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. I did not mean to make a Part 3. I just made a Part 2 to reverse these lines the other direction. And then one of my subscribers gave me a pretty good tip. If you take the 3-point line, hold down the control button so it's perpendicular. And then while holding down the control button, it doesn't matter where you're at on the line, it's going to give you that little bit of an arch. We're going to make this thing 15 inches long. We're going to change our nudge factor to 15. We're going to Control D to make a duplicate and move it over, and then mirror that 15 degrees. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and rotate it 90 degrees. Now you've got some hanging over, so you can fill in with the Smart Fill tool, and you can left click, right click, and you've got it. Now to make this work on a inside curve, it's a little bit different, but it'll work. And, we made it symmetrical. Now you can make any size you want. So the size of our line doesn't really matter. Hold down the control button, and then while holding down the control button, let's bring it in. Now this is where it's a little bit different. This line now we're going to make it 15, but you cannot, if you move it 15 inches, it isn't going to touch because they're moving outwardly. So since it doesn't really matter in size, let's take this to like 12 inches. And let's hit the plus key and move that over, and then mirror that. Grab these, Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, rotate 90 degrees. See, we got a lot hanging over, but if we would have done it, it would have not have worked. And you have the same box I did in Part 2. So there's more than one way to do this, and I think that viewer or subscriber, I'm pretty sure he's a subscriber because he's commented quite a bit. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.